The trading landscape is complex. Now you have an insight why things crash / plunge, when, where, and why. Welcome. There are certain times when an instrument is going to behave as though it is plunging. Do you know the reason why, when, and where is the question. So again, the question is why, when, where do instruments behave as though they are plunging into what feels like a crash? It's a big question. Well, I have the answer for you. I've been talking about it for many years. Let's begin with the emerging market ETF. And we can see that this is a monthly chart. Take a look at where the RSI is trading right now. It is approaching the secret for why instruments plunge, when and where. The RSI, as you can see, is approaching 38.2 on the monthly. And as I've been teaching for many years, whenever an instrument drops below 38.2 on its monthly chart for the first time in many years, it's gonna behave as though it is crashing. That's the secret. This is my own original concept, and I'm sharing it with you for the 100th time. Now, that's the emerging market ETF right now, looking like it's gonna go below 38.2. Let's take a look at another instrument. This instrument here, again, this is the monthly. Take a look at where the RSI is now. Take a look at this price behavior. Huge drop. And more importantly, again, coinciding with this RSI moving below 38.2 for the first time in many years. This here is a crash, because if you take a look at the other price level behavior, this is a huge plunge. And if you know what to look for, you can get away of stocks before they stage these types of behavior. Take a look at another example. This time we're taking a look at JD. This is the monthly. Take a look at where the RSI is on the monthly. Take a look at this price drop. Looks and feels like a crash for the stock. Take a look at this plunge of the RSI, and again moving to multi-year RSI lows. Again, that's another method, another concept I talk about, the ultimate Muathe sell signal. Links are in the description. Let's do two more. Here's one more. I hope you're watching this video on Netflix. Okay, not really, but you know what I mean. Take a look at the RSI on the monthly. Take a look at this price behavior. Take a look at where the RSI is in relation to where it's been over the years. This is the ultimate Muathe sell signal, and more importantly, moving below RSI 38.2. A concept by yours truly, shared freely with you. How about one more? It is the now so-called Meta, but we all know it is Facebook. Take a look at the RSI. Take a look at this price behavior. Boy, doesn't that look like a crash. And honestly, that's exactly what's taking place. Is it a shock? Not really. You can see where the RSI is trading in relationship to where it's been over the years. Again, the ultimate Muathe sell signal comes in play. How many years have I been talking about the ultimate Muathe sell signal? What, 15 years? Oh, for sure. The trading landscape is complex. Now you have an insight why things crash / plunge, when, where, and why. And so it is.